What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here, and today's video is sponsored by ELEHEAR, and these are the ELEHEAR Alpha Pro Smart Hearing Aids. Yes, a little something different for the channel today, but these are not just your ordinary pair of hearing aids. With these, you can also listen to music and handle phone calls. So you're getting a 3-in-1. But let's talk about design and comfort. At one end, you're going to have the part that sits right behind your ear and also provides button controls. And on the other end is the bud itself that of course goes into your ear. Now, I do recommend going through all of the provided ear tips to ensure the best fit possible. Now, I personally do not need hearing aids, but I did try these out anyways, and I can say that I did not experience any ear fatigue, which I know can be important to someone who has to wear them all day. And yes, these do give a crystal clear sound and really boosts the sound around you. Now, these do come with a portable charging case, so you can easily charge these at night when it's time for bed or if you're out traveling. It does take a maximum of 2.5 hours to charge both the hearing aids and the charging case itself. And the charging case is capable of providing power to the hearing aids for an additional 7 charges. So there's no need to charge the case every single day. And the case will tell you how much juice is left with the 3 lights inside for each bud. Now, these smart hearing aids have a Voclear AI technology that improves speech understanding and reduces the effort required to listen. These also provide AI noise reduction, giving a crystal clear sound, like I mentioned earlier. Now, one of the cool things about these hearing aids is that they can actually be customized with the dedicated app that you can download straight to your Android or iOS device. This app will allow you to do things like pick different sound modes, such as a general sound, a restaurant sound if you're at a restaurant, if maybe you're outdoors, or a TV sound if you want to focus more on what you're watching. You also have the ability to control the volume on each hearing aid. So if you're only hard of hearing on one side, maybe one ear, then you can turn up the volume a little louder on that side. You can also control noise reduction level. You can mute or unmute, and you can pick a directional speech focus or a 360-degree speech focus. And you can also set these to mild, mild to moderate, moderate 1, or moderate 2, just depending on how bad your hearing is. Now, as of right now, these are going for $499 compared to traditional hearing aids that can cost more than $3,000. So definitely a good deal, because not only are you getting a traditional hearing aid, but you're also getting a pair of earbuds and, something that you can make phone calls with as well. So if you do find yourself interested in these, I will be sure to have a link down in the description below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.